Hey, what's up guys? Mega mega love shoutout po. Good morning, good evening sa lahat, to all of you there, everybody. Mega mega love shoutout. Sana I hope that you are in a good condition, especially to your health, as well to your work, and also to your family. Guys, today video I will show you is about the finishing of bollard on top of the bollard. Most of the mason guys, they are taking hard how to make a good finishing of this type of bollard. Today I will show you how to make a good round of this bollard. As you see, as you can see this side, this is the top of the bollard. It is concrete. This top is concrete. Now how you make it good shape, finish and level. Very hard to make level this concrete because it is round. Even you make a polish, it will same unshaped, so it will make good rounded shape. This one guys, come on. You see guys, this is the way how you make a good finishing of the top of that bollard. Make it round. We will use it applying by Betonit. Yan, you see, very simple way, because I know some of the people, especially the masonry people, they will take very hard for them to make a good finishing. But I will show you one idea how you make it in a good shape, rounded, by using this Betonit. You use a simple things to make it level. You see, I will, before apply the Betonit materials, this is powder material, then you mix by water with chemical Ceband.
Oh, yeah.
You cannot use an ordinary water, use it by Ceband. You see guys, this is a good technique of these people, of this mason. Are you Bangladesh? Oh, from Bangladesh. He is a finishing mason. You see, by means of this, by using of this plastic rope. Oh, you see, and tight. This is the way how you make around this top side. You see, this guy is using one plastic strap only material to make it smooth. You see, this is good tip. Just using the plastic strap. You see, coming shine. He is finishing it by Betonit. Guys, this is a one best tactic, very good idea. By using this plastic strap, you can make a good level this round. You see, very simple item, but it is useful. This is the best way how you make your concrete make a good finish, round finish, by using this plastic strap. You are making this and a good finishing. You see, now very good. Now it will coming shine.
Yung tampara.
Ah. After making this one, dry and proceed for painting. Guys, this is the bollard. Ito na yung kikis-kisin nila yan sa sanding. Kita nyo man, bilog na bilog siya. At yun lang ang isang magandang paraan. Gumamit ng plastic rock at lagyan ng epoxy bitonit na may C-band. At yan, mabibilig nyo ng husay sa kagaya ng pinakita ko sa inyo. At ito na siya. Ganito na. Pipinturahan na ito. Kita nyo naman, wala siyang sanding. Pagkatapos ng sanding, ayan ay pipinturahan na. And this is it, guys. The head of the bollard is already shine, rounded after sanding, and we are proceeding now for primer. Yo, very simple idea. Just use bitonit with C-band. That is the one technique and how you make it good, smoothly round, guys. Just don't forget to use the plastic or any type of plastic flat shape to make it round and smooth. You see, no any bako yun. Yun guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Sana I hope that you can take some ideas how you make a good finishing of this bollard, which is very hard to make round this one, but by the simple technique that I will show you, that is the best way. Yo, mega love shout out to everybody, and I hope that all is okay. Shout out and always stay safe, guys. Thank you very much again. Shout out to my subscriber and to all teams that supporting my videos and channel, and I will do my best, guys, to do and bring you some more ideas. Welcome and good luck to everybody. Bye bye.